Most men think a hug is just a polite gesture, a quick hello or a simple goodbye. But psychology tells a very different story. A hug can reveal unspoken feelings, hidden attraction, and even be her way of testing how confident you really are. Ignore the signals, and you miss the moment. Respond the right way, and that hug could open the door to something much deeper. Welcome back to Dark Valora. Today I'll break down the 4 types of hugs women give, what they really mean, and exactly how you should respond so you never miss an opportunity again. The first type is the friendly pat. This hug is short, casual, and often comes with a few pats on the back. There's little body contact, and it feels warm, but purely platonic. If she hugs you this way, don't overthink it. She likely sees you as a friend. But here's the key. This doesn't have to be the end of a story. Use your confidence in other moments, build closeness naturally, and she may soon begin to see you in a different light. The second type is the firm hug. This one lasts longer, and there's real pressure in the way she holds you. It's not just a polite greeting, it signals comfort, trust, and familiarity. The secret here is how you respond. Don't pull back too quickly. Hold her for just a second longer than she expects and watch her reaction. If she smiles, keeps eye contact, or stays relaxed in your arms, that's a clear sign she enjoys being close to you. Build on this slowly, it's a solid foundation. The third type is the lingering embrace. When she doesn't let go right away, when her body melts into yours, when her chest rests closer, that's a signal of deeper attraction. Pay attention to her breathing. If it slows, if her hands linger on your back, she's showing comfort with intimacy. The biggest mistake here is pulling away too fast. Instead, mirror her energy. A gentle squeeze, a light touch on her lower back. These small actions make the moment unforgettable. Finally, the intimate embrace. This is the clearest signal of all. Her head rests on your shoulder or neck. Her breathing deepens. Maybe her hand caresses your back. This isn't just comfort, it's connection, desire, and trust. In this moment, don't rush. Let her feel your presence. If she lingers, if she tightens her hold, if she tilts her head toward you, she's silently saying, "Don't let this moment end too soon." Here's the truth. A hug is never just a hug. It's a silent conversation, a test of your presence, and sometimes a doorway into something much deeper. Most men miss the signals because they're too nervous or too quick to let go. But if you stay calm, confident, and let your body language do the talking, you'll never miss the hidden meaning again. So, what do you think is the most powerful sign of attraction in a hug? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this opened your eyes, hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe to Dark Valora for more truths about psychology, attraction, and human behavior.